Hello everyone, I'm a grade 10 student from Shanghai World Foreign Language School, and here is my product. Have you ever met the problem that flies and sorts of insects flying around the rubbish bin and brings much disadvantages for you? And here is my product. I call it the Smart Rubbish Bin. And my Smart Rubbish Bin has contained several functions including automatic flies attraction and fly killing, and also such the showing of modern humidity, temperature, and PM 2.5. Moreover, it has used this solar panel to provide the constant electric charge so that it can operate for a long term. Moreover, there's a program that has said that when the temperature near is above 20 degrees Celsius, it will operate the whole system. So that's the basic principle behind the major function of my Smart Rubbish Bin, which is the double-side electric net and the fly attraction. The fly attraction was done by the specific LED fly attraction lamp, so that those flies will be attracted by those two disfocused specific places near the electric net, and the double layer electric net will trigger a current when the flies both connect the two layers of them, where there can be a current so that the flies will be dead and killed by them. And finally, the flies will fall into the rubbish bin downward. And moreover, there are humidity and temperature sensors and PM 2.5 sensors in the middle part of the Smart Rubbish Bin, so that it will detect the humidity and PM 2.5 and temperature, and show that on this liquid crystal panel, so that people around them can know the modern those data. And moreover, there's a two-side slice of the carbon, the live carbon inside, so that it can make a better air quality near the rubbish bin. And finally is the structure of the whole smart rubbish bin. It has contained of two parts, which is one is recyclable waste and the other one is for the non-recyclable waste. And here are two doors, and it can be opened so that it can easy for people to change the rubbish bin inside, to change the rubbish bin timely. Now let me show you the principle and the basic function of my Smart Rubbish Bin. And we use this piece of sheet as flies to simulate the flies fly through the double layer electric net. And when it touches the double layer electric net, it will actually trigger a current, and we can hear the sound. This has shown that the flies really can be killed by such current. And for this Smart Rubbish Bin, we have done experiments to show if it is can be useful in the actual situations, and we find that it is greatly used, especially in the toilets and those places with a little bit higher humidity and a little bit higher temperature. So that this shows that the product can be used normally in our lives, and it actually brings much benefits to us. Like when the people are walking on the street, they will find that there will be no flies, and they will be all killed near the rubbish bin, and also they can know the current, humidity, temperature, and PM 2.5 outside. And it's gonna be a quite useful product for our lives. Thank you.